Alright guys, so we've got a special unboxing today. It's not in an actual box, but it should be coming in by air delivery now. And look at that. So you may have guessed from the description, it is a camera body. So if I unbox, it's in a Mode fashion bag. It's Mode fashion show, that is. That's the only thing that could fit it, so I've put it inside that. So if I just chuck it out there and get rid of that, you can see there we have the camera. It's a 5D Mark II. Great camera. I will do a quick unboxing for you now. You can see that looks like the box. So I will need a knife, which is a good thing. I've got my Swiss Army knife here, which has a small blade, but I always ask for my big knife. So I might, should I use a big knife this time? So that's my little knife. Let's magically get my big knife. Okay, will that work? I'm not quite sure of that. No. So if I get a knife. Oh, now we're talking. Look at that beauty there. So if I just cut that, it's like butter, isn't it? It's a nice little blade there. Boom. So let's get straight into it. We've got an unboxing here for you, 5D Mark II. So if I open that up there, we should get everything that we get in there. So that's just the power lead. That is the charger that plugs into. It comes with a battery. It's quite an excessive bag for a battery. So if I put that there, that's to charge it. Leads to connect it to your TV and something else. And it comes with a load of paperwork, free screen guard protectors. So I got them, but I don't think all of them come with it. A little pamphlet thing. I don't know what that guarantee information. Cut that out. Okay, CDs. So these are good for the EOS tool. So you plug your computer to your camera and shoot live view. You can do it in Lightroom anyway, but they give you the software, and there's just that other stuff. So let's get rid of all that. And then we'll pull out the camera itself, which is in the middle pocket here. So let's get that out, to get the box out the way. Might need a battery, and shall I put a lens on there? So battery, and here we go. So the 5D Mark II. So we can do a nice few close-ups of that for you. And nice weight camera, good feel to it. Obviously it's a full frame camera, and it's got, oh yes, let's do this. Look at that macro lens there, boy. So let's get that lined up and give you a view of it with a 100mm macro. That's a 5D Mark II unboxing right there.